Hey guys, in this video we are going to show you how to fix GTA 5 not launching issue in Steam, Epic Games and Rockstar. If GTA 5 is not launching on Steam, Epic Games or Rockstar, the issue might be due to corrupted temporary files, outdated drivers, or pending system updates. Deleting unnecessary files and updating your graphics driver can often resolve the problem. Follow these steps carefully to fix the GTA 5 not launching issue on your PC. Start by opening the Start menu and selecting Run. In the Run box, type tmp and click OK. When the folder opens, delete all the temporary files shown there. CRUD files are taking up space. Another way is to again open the Start menu. After that, select Run. In the Run box, type %tmp% and click OK. When the folder opens, delete all the temporary files shown there to remove any corrupted data that could be creating the problem. Next, open the Start menu on your PC and go to Settings. In the Settings window, select Windows Update from the left-hand panel. Click Check for Updates to search for any available system updates. This process may automatically fix minor problems. Another way is to open the Start menu again. Type Device Manager in the search bar and select it from the results. In the Device Manager window, expand the Display Adapters section. Right-click on AMD Radeon 7 M360 and choose Update Driver. Make sure the latest driver version is installed. Afterward, restart your PC to complete the process. To restart, open the search bar on your taskbar, click the power button, and choose Restart. Once your computer restarts, it will fix GTA 5 not launching issue in Steam, Epic Games, and Rockstar. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.